Number 18. Shannon has $350 and spends $4 each day. Marty has $140 and saves $8 each day. After how many days will Shannon and Marty have the same amount of money? Again, we're looking for when they have the same amount. So since it's telling us that, it is telling us that we want to come up with two equations and set them equal to each other. So here we want to know when Shannon has the same amount, so equals the amount of money Marty has. So Shannon, she starts off with $350 and she spends $4 each day. That word spends, that is telling us that we're subtracting. So 350 minus the $4 she spends each day. Now remember, words like per, each, every, those are words that indicate X. So this is minus 4X. And this equals Marty, who has $140. So he's starting off with $140 and he saves. That word saves, that's telling us that he's adding $8 each day. Again, that is 8x, so plus 8x. So now all we have to do is put those two equations into our calculator. Please do not put them in all at once. We want to put one side in at a time into our graphs. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out my calculator, and I'm going to press no. I'm going to go over to the graphs, and my first equation was 350 minus 4x. I'm going to press the down arrow. My next equation was 140 plus 8x. So 140 plus 8x. I'm going to go ahead and press enter. Some of you might look at our picture and think, oh my gosh, it didn't even come up. Remember, you have to fit it to the screen. So we're going to go ahead and press menu, 4 for window zoom, and A for fit. Here it's still, our picture is still too small. So what we're going to do is we're going to press menu, 4 for window zoom, and 4 to zoom out. I see here that my point of intersection is somewhere over here to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and press over there. And now you can see our point of intersection. Now I want to find that point. So I'm going to go ahead and press menu, 6, 4. And here we have this dotted line pop up. I want to press to the left of my point of intersection and I want to scroll over to the right. And here we get this point of 17.5, comma 280. So here we have 17.5, comma 280 as our point of intersection. Now remember, days is always almost x, or our time is always almost x. Days is a measurement of time, so that means we're looking for our x value here. Now, in all honesty, these problems always ask for the x value unless it specifically asks you for your y value. So here our answer is going to be 17.5 days, which means our answer here is G.